busy already. Need to move on. Ooh, this is also kinda clean though. Damn, that's a police. Nice, nicely done. Okay. Who is chilling? Yeah, of course. Some BMWs chilling in there. Oh yeah, he's also going. Why is he taking this narrow line? Damn, we doing donuts? Fuck, I see. Damn, I'm getting dizzy. Okay, let's move. Nicely done. Very nicely done. Fucking that's police. That's police. That right there. For the boys again, man. Of course, of course, of course. Is this what I think it is? Are they what I think? Damn. Жигули Вася. Жигули. Where are they going, man? Damn, we don't have gas. Fucking hell. Where are they going? There isn't gonna be no more gas anywhere, man. There. Fucking hell. We fucking turn around, go to the closest thing, man, maybe. We are refueled now. We can move on. Yeah, where are they? Everybody going? Here is he. Hey, they didn't go nowhere, man. Maybe we can find him. He went refuel up. Okay. But these nah, tell me what you want, but these corners are very nice. Yeah, the winters are tricky, man, in the last couple of years. There is one car going after us. Who might be this dude following? Damn, what? What are you? Flashing lights, man. He, I guess, saw our thing. Maybe wanted to follow us. Maybe locals have already been here. Hopefully it's not that bumpy, man. Is this dude? Yeah, he's also coming in. They just want to see me rolling. I hope they are not some kind of undercover dudes. Yeah, they love drifting, but they don't have the car, so they just work as spectators. Yes. Yeah, man, let's go. This it ain't that bad, but damn. Are they gonna follow me? Yeah, they will. Man. Okay, alright, man. Hope that's not. Yeah, they are my followers, man. They unexpected things happen. Yes, yes. Why the hell would someone be parked up there, huh? Should be nobody coming there. That's it for this night.